Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa akin channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. Welcome to everyone. This is our PSEI Weekly Performance Review, Week 11 of 2026. Philippine equities experienced a sharp pullback during this week as a combination of peso weakness, foreign selling, and fragile global risk sentiment weighed heavily on the market. The benchmark PSEI briefly dropped close to the 6,000 psychological support level after losing nearly 5% early in the week, reflecting broad selling across sectors. Despite the decline, bargain hunting emerged towards the end of the week as investors accumulated fundamentally strong blue chips at lower valuation, allowing the index to stabilize slightly while the market continues to monitor currency movements and global economic developments for direction. Following early week declines, investors stepped in to accumulate undervalued blue chips, helping stabilize the market and prevent a deeper correction. The key factors affecting the market: currency weakness. The Philippine peso weakened to record levels against the US dollar, raising concerns over inflation risk and capital outflows, which pressured equity valuation. Next is the foreign selling pressure. Foreign investors were net sellers early in the week, contributing to the sharp market decline as global risk sentiment remained fragile. Next is global risk-off sentiment. Uncertainty in global markets and cautious positioning across emerging markets triggered broad profit-taking across Philippine blue-chip stocks. And lastly, bargain hunting toward weekend. After the steep early decline, selective buying emerged near the 6,000 support zone, preventing a deeper correction. Across key components of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, technical signals point to a broad stabilization and consolidation phase following recent market volatility. Ayala Corporation. Property developers such as Ayala Land and Megaworld Corporation, banking leaders BDO Unibank and Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company, Converge ICT Solutions, conglomerates such as GT Capital Holdings and JG Summit Holdings, consumers such as Jollibee Food Corporation, and finally SM Prime Holdings Incorporated gapped down a bit but recovered immediately, trying to hold and build new support levels due to broader market volatility caused by negative sentiment, followed by bargain hunting towards end of the week. Apparently, the market remained to be moving in its normal phase if we remove in the equation the geopolitical conflict that started 2 weeks ago, where the perfect trend is slowly building a higher low formation and even reach the 6,500 with the intention of a possible breakout that might have confirmed the uptrend if not for the sudden interference of negative catalysts. As we wrap up, the market have likely completed consolidating and probably under accumulation phase. This pace isn't a signal to rush, but a reminder to continue positioning strategically. Once again, another issues are affecting the market, so we have to keep in mind to ignore the noise, stick to your plan, and stay focused in identifying opportunities and capitalize on it. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss on our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with a domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com. Or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There is no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you all on my next video. Ciao.